In this short video, I'll show you how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Imagine sending messages that never get a response or noticing changes in someone's profile picture. These subtle signs can be frustrating and make you wonder if you've been blocked. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our extensive experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including identifying signs of being blocked on messaging apps like WhatsApp. Together, we'll explore this to ease your worries. Stay with me to the end to find out. Fix I can't see anyone's status on WhatsApp. Now let's get started on how to find out if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Though there is no app for WhatsApp block checker online, I'll share 4 common methods plus one ingenious one which you don't want to miss. The first method is to check their last seen status. Checking the last seen status is one of the most straightforward ways to determine if you've been blocked on WhatsApp. This status shows when the person was last active on the app. If you can't see their last seen status, it could be a sign that you've been blocked. However, keep in mind that this isn't definitive evidence, as users can also hide their last seen for privacy reasons. To start with this method, head over to WhatsApp and open the chat with the person you suspect. Look for their last seen status at the top of the chat window. If it's not visible, it might indicate that you've been blocked, though they could also have hidden their status in privacy settings. Another method to see if you've been blocked by someone on WhatsApp is to look for profile picture changes. Looking for profile picture changes can give you a clue if you've been blocked on WhatsApp. Typically, when someone blocks you, their profile picture may revert to the default grey icon. This could suggest they've blocked you, as blocked contacts often can't see any updates to the profile picture. To do this, check their profile picture. If it has reverted to the default grey icon, this could be a sign of being blocked. However, the person might have just removed their profile picture. It's important to note that the person might have simply removed their photo for privacy reasons, so this method alone is not conclusive. Always consider other signs in conjunction with this one. The third method is to observe message delivery indicators. Observing message delivery indicators is a helpful method to determine if you've been blocked on WhatsApp. When you send a message, pay close attention to the delivery status. If you see only a WhatsApp single tick for a long time, it suggests that the message was sent but not delivered, which could indicate that you've been blocked. However, if 2 check marks appear, this means the message was delivered, ruling out the possibility of being blocked. Keep in mind that network issues can also cause delayed delivery, so consider other factors alongside this method. Let's see about this by sending a message to the person. If only 1 check mark appears, which indicates the message was sent but not delivered, and it remains that way for an extended period, you might have been blocked. 2 check marks would mean the message was delivered, which would rule out being blocked. The fourth method is to attempt to make a WhatsApp call. Attempting to make a WhatsApp call is another method to check if you've been blocked. To do this, try making a voice call to the person via WhatsApp. If the call doesn't connect or continually fails, it could be a sign that the person has blocked you. However, consider other possibilities like network problems or the person having disabled WhatsApp calls, which could also prevent the call from going through. Before we look into the final methods, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now let's see an ingenious method to check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Create a group with a suspected blocker. Creating a group with a suspected blocker is another way to determine if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. To perform this check, start by creating a new group chat and attempt to add the person you suspect has blocked you. If you find that you're unable to add them, or if they don't show up as a participant after you've added them, it's a strong indication that they have blocked you. This method is a reliable way to confirm your suspicions. But if you can't see their status, no problem. Tap to watch this video linked here to fix the problem if you can't see anyone's status on WhatsApp. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.